In this lesson, we are going to talk about using plural nouns in our writing. When you write, check that all special nouns are spelled correctly when talking about more than one. When you revise your writing, look for special nouns that tell about more than one. Be sure the nouns follow the rules you have learned. Let's look at the examples below. Special nouns that name one. Remember, those are singular nouns. I saw a box in the driveway. I saw a person in the driveway. The words in blue are singular nouns. Let's look at the special nouns that name more than one. Those are plural nouns. I saw boxes and people in the driveway. To make the word box, the noun box, plural, they added es to the end because it ends with x. For the word person, to make it plural, they made it people. This changes the spelling and also becomes a collective noun.